Hello and welcome to the Coding Bytes. I am Abhishek Parmar, and in this video we are going to see some of the job opportunities. So the first job opportunity is from Wipro. Wipro is conducting a star hiring program. So in this program, let's first of all see the eligibility criteria. So candidates should have 60% in their 10th, 12th and graduation, and maximum of one active backlog is allowed till the interview stage, which means while you are appearing for the interview, you can have one active backlog. And the branches which are eligible are CS, IT, circuital branches means electrical, electronics. These branches comes under circuital branches. Mechanical, allied, integrated, these branches are eligible, and the year of passing is 2022. So this hiring is only for 2022 batch graduates. Other batch graduates cannot apply. And 3 years of gap is allowed in education, which means between 10th to graduation, you should not have more than 3 years of educational gap. In your graduation period, there should not be any gap, which means your graduation should be completed within 4 years only. And the qualification, you can see BE and BTech, and these are compulsory degree. So even if you have done post graduation, your undergraduation degree should be BE and BTech only. And there is an age limit of 25 years. So make sure you apply only if you are 25 years or below. And the evaluation process is given. So the first step is registration. You will have to register for this program. The second step is assessment. So there will be one online assessment that you will have to clear to go to the next round. The next round is business discussion, which can be a technical or HR interview or maybe both. And then you will get a letter of intent, and then you will get an offer letter. And if we talk about the compensation, so CTC is going to be 10 lakh plus 1 lakh retention bonus paid after 1 year of completion, which means your CTC will be 10 LPA and you will get bonus of 1 lakh. The designation will be project engineer, and there is no service agreement for this particular hiring. So make sure you register for this particular hiring as well. The link will be given in the description of this video. Now let's move to the next job opportunity, which is from NoBroker. So NoBroker is hiring for 2 job roles. The first one is business analyst, and the CTC is 6 LPA plus, and the other one is data analyst, and the CTC will be 5 lakh plus. And these jobs are provided through Relevel by Unacademy. So if you want to apply for any of the roles, you will have to click on this register for test option. And once you click on this option, you will have to book a slot, and then you will have to attend a free test. And if you clear that test, you will be eligible to interview for these roles. Similarly, there is one more hiring which is from Delivery. So they are hiring for data analyst, and the CTC will be 15 to 17 LPA. And if you want to apply for this job role as well, you will have to click on this register for test option, and you will have to attend a free test. So the links will be given in the description of this video. The next job opportunity is from TCS. So TCS is conducting BPS fresher hiring, and this is for 2022 batch graduates again. And the last date to apply is 7th January 2022. So make sure you apply before this date, and the test date will be 26th January 2022. And if you clear the test, you will get a mail for interview. So first of all, let's quickly see the test eligibility. This hiring is for full-time graduates from BCom, BA, BAF, BBI, BBA, and all these other courses which are given here. And if you see the backlog criteria, so candidates should not have any active backlog, and the backlog should be cleared in the stipulated time duration. And the gap criteria, so your overall gap should not exceed 2 years. And if you want to see the test pattern, so the test pattern is given here. You just need to click. So there will be 3 sections. The first section will be numerical ability, second verbal ability, and third will be reasoning ability. And they have given the number of questions and the duration. So the total duration of this test will be 65 minutes. So in 65 minutes, you will have to solve 80 questions, which will have numerical ability, verbal ability, and reasoning ability questions. And if you are going to apply for this particular hiring, and if you need previous year questions papers, you can check the description. There is a link which is given in the description of this video. From that link, you can get previous 6-year question papers. So you can prepare those questions to crack this particular test. And if you want to apply for this hiring, the link will be given in the description of this video. And if you don't want to miss more such opportunities, please subscribe to the Coding Bytes, and thanks for watching.